Welcome back guys, we are back here with another bag series. We have done a lot of videos on different bags and the brand that we are going to be talking about today is their most talked brand, TomTok. TomTok is quite popular internationally, it's known for its look and premium design. Today we are going to be talking about one of the TomTok's bags, which is TomTok Windpack TA1 laptop backpack. We are going to be going into the depth of the details, material, features, everything that you need to know if it's worth the purchase or not. This Windpack comes in 4 different colors as you can see on the screen. So you have variety of options to choose from. Also the bag weighs 930 grams and the volume is 22 liters. Now coming on to the design. This Windpack is made for you to blend into the world. And this vintage style of this bag, it makes it one of my favorite product of TomTok. And the practicality of this bag makes it easier for everyday use, trips, wild adventures, etc. This black color is one of my favorite because it comes with a brown strap both in the front and in the back, which gives it more vintage and aesthetic look to it. Also the top handle on this bag makes it easier to carry for you. It is made of nylon weaving and it comes with little bit of the padding. And if you look inside, there is a retro drawstring which makes it easier for you to adjust the diameter of the bag. Now coming on to the material. This bag is made from polyester nylon material and it comes from TomTok's recycle collection, which means it is made from post-consumer materials. One thing that you need to remember that there is not a lot of waterproofing, like especially from the zippers, but the zippers are made from YKK, which is a quite popular brand. So it makes it easier for you to glide and is great for long-term use. Now looking at the bag. The back is also padded, so there's a way of air to pass through. So if you are carrying the bag for a long time, your bag doesn't get sweaty. Also, they have given this luggage pass through. So if you keep your bag on the luggage, it's gonna sit straight and you don't have to worry about it falling. Also, looking at the shoulder straps, which are very well adjusted and they look really comfortable. I mean, the straps are thin, but they come with a nice amount of padding, so it's good. And also, because of how wide they are, it's like it evenly distributes the weight. So if the bag is heavy, it's not gonna dig into your shoulders. Now coming to the inside material of the bag. Inside material, it's quite soft and I think this material can protect your devices from light drizzle or water splashes. The inside corners are well padded, so if you are clumsy like me and your bag falls, I think your devices are still gonna be protected. In the front, there is one magnetic pocket, one zipper pocket on the top. So this magnetic pocket is quite easily accessible. Here you can keep your keys or AirPods. In the front zipper pocket, here you can keep your stationery or the charger, cash, and I think if you're traveling, you can keep your toothpaste and toothbrush as well. Like it can be a separate pocket for that. Looking at this top pocket, it's not easily visible, so I think you can use it as a hidden pocket which can be quickly accessed. Here you can keep your cash, pen drive, SSDs, etc. And now looking at the side compartments, I mean there are 2 compartments on each side. Here you can keep your water bottle or umbrella, etc. Now looking at the inside compartments, there are 3 compartments: the main compartment, the tablet compartment and the laptop compartment. I mean the size of the compartments are quite huge, so you can fit up to 15.6 inches universal laptop with 12.9 inches iPad Pro. And the main compartment, here you can put your laptop charger, phone charger, or if you are taking this bag to the college, you can put 2-3 books because the size of this bag is quite huge. And also if you're traveling, so you can put your 2-3 clothes inside and you don't have to like carry a big bag for 2-3 day travel. Also the amazing thing about this bag that it comes with a side zipper. It's like a side access to the bag. If you want to grab something easily and quickly, you can just open the zipper and grab it from the bag. And if you might think that it might be unsafe, it is not. It comes with a well protected buckle. So it's like a quick access with well protected zipper. So the overall look of this bag is very aesthetic, very stylish and very old style look. And as I told you, there are a variety of color in this bag. So one you can see is hanging behind me in yellow color, and if you're a brighter person, you want to add bright colors in your aesthetic, you can go for the yellow one. And if you want some dark aesthetic, you can go for this black one. Now for the look, this is how this bag is gonna look on the people with the height of 5'9", and this is how it's gonna look on the people with the height of 5'4". I mean, the design and the style of this bag is quite great. Anyone can use it anytime, like take it to the colleges, office, or especially on the trips, looking at the size and the volume of this bag. Also, this bag can be a great use for the photographers and videographers. Like you have a different bag for the camera, you can keep your other equipments in this bag very well. That's it, style it, wear it all according to your ways. And that's it for this video. We'll see you soon in another video, and for more videos like this, follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel.